Hello, I'm Alex, and today I'll show you how easy it is to install a GROHE QuickFix washbasin tap with a retractable chain, using GROHE Start as an example here. It sounds complicated, but it's not. An important note beforehand, this installation also applies to many other models with a retractable chain, even if your model looks completely different. And one more thing, of course you should turn off the water before installation. First, let's check what's in the box. Of course, take a look at the enclosed installation manual. Using the QR code, you'll find further important information and eventually the installation video. In order to install your new tap, all you need is this 3-in-1 installation tool and a pair of needle nose pliers. Let's get started then. First, pass the chain through the chain hole from below. The chain is used to hold the counterweight on one side and the drain plug on the other. To fit the drain plug, you must first carefully bend this bracket open. Then pass the open section through the stopper holder and bend it back together again. Next, you have to slide this black seal over the hoses so that no water can flow between the tap and the wash basin later. Here, you have to pay attention to the correct alignment. The collar of the seal must point downwards, as this will later lock the tap centrally in the tap hole of the wash basin and therefore ensure that it covers the tap hole. Insert carefully. And then you're done. Now prepare the counter screw. There are small tabs in the rubber holder that prevent the crescent from falling down again, as long as the fastening nut is not yet screwed onto the bolt. Then slide the whole thing underneath the wash basin over the fastening bolt, with the rubber holder facing upwards. Simply hand tighten, then tighten with the 3-in-1 installation tool until the tap no longer twists on the wash basin. However, beware, it will come off if you tighten it too far. Next, it's the flexible connection hoses turn. These already have an integrated seal and can be easily connected directly to the angle valves. The right-hand hose is always for cold water and is also connected to the right-hand angle valve. The left-hand hose is for hot water and goes to the left-hand angle valve. You simply place the screw connection on the thread and turn it hand tight until it stops on the thread of the angle valve. Then tighten it firmly with the enclosed 3-in-1 installation tool until the connection is tight. Make sure that the hoses do not become kinked or twisted. It's best to hold the hoses by hand or with a suitable tool when tightening them. Now slowly open the angle valves and check that everything is tight. Here's a little tip. First, turn the angle valves all the way to the left and then back again a half or quarter turn. The valves will then be easier to operate in the future. Finally, let some water run into the closed basin in order to check whether everything is tight. We did it! That was quick and easy, wasn't it?